Archery, a sports which is known for Deepika Kumari, a sports which is known for our own Arjun, the Mahabharat. No one can forget it. But does that really matter? Whenever it comes to Olympics, Deepika have failed to perform. There are a lot of things. Even just 1 month back, she won 3 gold medals at World Cup. People are talking about her. My answer is still the same. It's not easy to win medals. Korean women or the Korean men or the Korean team in general are way ahead of us. So it's like expecting a medal would be lying to our own self. But does that mean we will come empty hand this time around in terms of archery? My answer is again no. Why? We have something as advantage altogether. Will that go in our favor or it won't is the real question. But what is the advantage? The advantage is that we would be playing a mixed team like never before. The duo of Deepika Kumari with Danu Das just married to each other. They know them each other really well. What does that bring to table? It brings lot of things into table, but what really matters is that we are actually a contender to win a medal. They have won the gold in World Cup, but there were no core teams. There were no teams who had not qualified. A lot of teams were not even playing the tournaments, especially Korea, and do not mention others. That's the reason why I would just go with one simple fact that we are the contenders. The only thing which will matter is the first day before the opening ceremony. Why? Who are familiar with how the Olympic format works? We always have a qualification round just before an opening ceremony. That qualification round have nothing to directly deal with what the results or what the tournament will go for. It's very straightforward and simple. It's a ranking round to decide your opponents. Even if you are ranked first before the Olympics and don't perform on that ranking day, you can still get a difficult opponent on the very first round. So that's the very important day for us. It starts well before the Olympics starts, as we say. Sports India TV.